Hey guys, how are you doing? So it's Crypto Insight UK here with your daily YouTube video. It's the 12th of May at 11 o'clock, 11 a.m. that is. So we're looking at Bitcoin on the hourly here. So let's just give a quick recap of what's happened recently. This was the other day when we tested the 702 and rejected it, and then there was this flash crash of how much? Just a 10% flash crash on Bitcoin, which it recovered from quite quickly. However, it then went up, and this is 786, I think, or 618. It then tested 618, and that's rejected that this morning. So what we might do is bounce off the 55,000 sort of level, 55,900, which is a 0.5 on this retracement of the recent rally. I'll be looking for some kind of market structure that went a bit like this, or I hope to see something that goes a bit like this. So obviously we bounce off there, we're down to this level. We bounce off that level, find some support there, and continue to push out. And I'd love to see us break above this level here. I really want to see that. If we really want to see some bullish momentum, we want to see that. What I can see happening could be a bounce into that region, and then a little consolidation here like that, boom, and then maybe a bounce out of there and up. Maybe test it once, even though we have tested it 3 times now, so we might see hopefully straight a breakthrough. If we could flip that level into support there and then come through and out we go up here and straight through both of these targets would be great. Back up towards this all-time high sort of level is what I'd be looking for. If you want to see some bullish momentum in Bitcoin. Remember, it does kind of dictate the rest of the market. As you can see, like this morning everything was kind of green, but now we're having a bit of a dump in Bitcoin. Everything's kind of following suit. So it's a bit of a dodgy area, and you can see that it's dumped because it's broken through the both the moving averages, and now it's really just tanking essentially. It's fell through the 200-day and the 50-day, so we're looking at a correction again. Let's have a look at Ethereum. Again, set an all-time high today. This thing's really been going. I said that it will look for a resistance area around 4,500. So I think, yeah, this could trace up to 4,500, and then we may see a rejection there, maybe back down to about 4,000 sort of area. Who knows? Like, there's a big drop actually, 10%, but I don't know. We could just keep going in price discovery for a while for Ethereum. So it gets to where Bitcoin's got to. I think it just gets up to about 5,000 as the sort of top end, and then depending on whether Bitcoin pushes further is what we'll see then with Ethereum. Excuse me. We've then got XRP. It's just kind of been trading within this range for a long while now. What's this range? Let's have a look how long it's been in here for first. 2 weeks it's been in this range of between 122 and 176, but let's really say 131 to 176. It's been trading between there for about 2 weeks now. It is starting to consolidate again. So we could be looking, I think we may come down and tap this 144 sort of level, and looking for a boom out of there is what I personally would hope to see. We need some more volume to come through. There has been some volume, but we need some big spikes like we saw here to help us get up to the next level. Let's have a look on the 2 hourly, what's going on. I need to get rid of this ruler because now I can't do anything. Yeah, here we go. I've got one more thing to show you in the YouTube video that's quite interesting. We need volume like this. When we see volume like this, look, it really takes us up on a big run. You can see the volume's a lot higher here. That's the sort of thing we need to start seeing if we want to start pumping up. And guys, I do think it's coming, and I'll show you why. So we've got this XRP chart here. So I drew this on a few days ago, about 2 days ago. It's just an idea that I had. So there's a bull flag there. As you can see, it is largely respecting that. Like, even it does use the bottom of it as resistance when it breaks below. And then I had this second bull flag, which came all the way from down here and touched the bottom of these 2 troughs. And then something that really interested me is that I drew this in from before this crash happened, the flash crash. And when the flash crash happened, it didn't even go below the support level of this bull flag, which I found very interesting. So maybe it is respecting this. If it's respecting these patterns, we're looking at the maximum wait for the first pattern to finish 6 days, and the maximum wait for the biggest flag to finish of 11 days. So within the next 11 days, we could see a breakout above or below. I'm hoping it's above, and I do think we will see that all-time high this month. I do keep saying that, and I don't say it just for no reason. That is my personal prediction. If you're looking at a move like this, that would take us to $3. So we could definitely, as soon as we break with that 175, guys, here, and then above the 197, we are really off. Like 175 is what we really need to break through first. That's the 702 retracement on the latest rally for XRP, and I can show you that. I'll show you it here. And then we really are off onto the races basically, and that's what I'm personally looking for. So we'll start this fib here. We'll bring it down to this level, and as you can see, the 702 levels here, we did kind of get above it a little bit. Right, nicely lined up. We wicked above the 786. We had no daily, it's the daily candle closes what you want to see above those levels, and we did wick above, but we didn't manage to get a daily candle close above there. So that's what we're looking for, a daily candle close above the 702. We need another big green candle to come through and help us really push up there. I could see this candle being sort of a doji, like an indecisive candle today, and then a big one tomorrow, hopefully help us push up, but we'll have to see. We've got the news tomorrow with the SEC. Isn't to do with Ripple or XRP, it's actually an internal SEC meeting, but there could be positive things to come out of that. As I was talking about in my live TikTok this morning, I do think Litecoin's are the one to keep your eye on. This is the all-time high here, and we are having a lot of positive momentum up towards that. We could look to break through and set a price discovery for Litecoin. For it to get anywhere like Ethereum is, Ethereum's all the way up here, so Litecoin would be $1,300 Litecoin, so that'd be looking pretty nice if that was to be the case. Other than that, guys, there's not really a lot to keep your eye on. The total market cap is now back above the all-time high that was set the other week of 2.3 trillion. Let's have a look at it on the daily. Oh, we are on the daily, so that's a great green engulfing candle there yesterday. So we're looking for another green candle and a move up towards the upside today. And the altcoin market cap is still blasting off to higher highs, and there's still a lot more move in this. In my opinion, definitely in the altcoin market cap. We'll have to see what happens with the total market cap. We could come down and bounce off this level before we take off, but I would love to see it just start ploughing off towards that 3 trillion mark that I think will be where we're heading for long term. Again, Dash was one I think we should look at, looking to break above these fib levels. But that's about it for me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do need any help with crypto, please check out my Patreon services. We do paid TA chats, I do one-to-ones, and a variety of other things. There's also a free Telegram chat. Have a look at my description for all of these things. If you don't keep your crypto on a ledger, get it on one. It's never safe on the exchanges. Definitely recommend hardware wallets first, but if you can't afford one, that's no stress. Software wallets are still decent. Hardware wallet affiliate links are in my bio. I use myself a Ledger Nano. And yeah, if you don't use Binance or Coinbase, please use my affiliate link to sign up. We'll both get a bit of reward if you do that. It's free to help out the channel by hitting that like and subscribe button there, guys, if you don't already. I'd appreciate that. And I will speak to you guys on the next one. Thank you very much. And I'll see you then. Peace up, A-Town down, as Usher would say.